LifeTube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of the tips and tricks that insiders use. Makeup for special days can be a long and complicated task, but for everyday makeup, who's got time? Today, we'll be covering an easy-to-do look that looks stunning but takes no time. Step 1. Wipe your face with tonic. Always do that before applying makeup. Step 2. Face tint. Apply face tint next, then shade it with Beauty Blender or a triangle sponge. Step 3. Apply some eyeshadow. Pick a tint of eyeshadow that is a little darker than your natural skin tone. Shade it across your top eyelids. Make sure it doesn't look too dark or too heavily drawn. Then, do the same with the bottom eyelid, though over there, you should just apply some very close to the eye. Use an eyeshadow brush for it. Shade the line below the eye so it extends to the temple a bit. Pro tip: a brow tip and the line of eyeshadow below the eye must form a 45-degree angle with each other. This is something you can easily measure with the brush. Step 4. Now take a darker tone of eyeshadow and draw a line right above the eyelashes on the top eyelid. Draw it with the brush so that it will look softer. Step 5. Apply some volumizing mascara. Remember, we're pursuing a light but mesmerizing look. Pro tip: apply it by moving the brush slightly up. This will lift your eyelashes and make your eyes look bigger. Step 6. Take a lip pencil and a lip brush. Pick a more natural looking shade. Apply it, then shade with your finger. Repeat with the lower lip. Tip: draw the contour first, then fill it. This will help your lips look more natural. Step 7. Look in the mirror and enjoy yourself. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks that professionals use.